We were in Oklahoma. We went to the place where the Cherokees were replaced from Tennessee, part of the Trail of Tears. But they're doing very well there. They have a good economic system, they're contributing to the society and we're just outside Memphis. We're going to Graceland today and then Martin Luther King's, that assassination memorial and going to the place where B.B. King used to play.
B.B. King, yeah. So you went to the Sequoia Museum. Somebody was
Yeah, the guy who…
He's
quite a genius.
Yeah.
It seems he is the only human being ever to create a whole alphabetical system for their language because all others would have evolved over a period of time. This man just did it over a period of 10-12 years he worked on it and I'm sure everybody thought he's a nutcase. But then he made it and it's such a huge achievement that the language got this thing and now, I don't know, they said some million pages of something has been printed. And we were in Oklahoma. We went to the place where the Cherokees were replaced from Tennessee, part of the Trail of Tears. But they're doing very well there. They have a good economic system, they're contributing to the society and they're also doing well, thanks to their ingenuity and their determination after all that suffering. They are one of the few tribes which are doing economically very well.
How's it been? You've been on the bike for what, almost 40 days now?
36 days now.
Almost
been
back
wonderful.
in Tennessee, almost back
Yeah.
in AAA.
I don't know, I was thinking of riding to India but then they told me there are no roads.
Well, there's some oceans in between, maybe that might pose a problem. How's it been though? You've met all these people and it's been… How's it been for you? How's it been for them? I don't know the whole trip.
It's been good, they've been enthusiastic, more and more people are coming, we're just talking to them on Zoom or on social media like thing. A whole lot of people, Native American people are coming now wanting to talk and they're very excited about this. It's unbelievable how many of them have been following us we didn't know all these days. Because they all have another name in the, regular Christian kind of name that you can't recognize as Native American. But there are so many of them been following us and they're very happy that we made this trip. Lots, actually there's a pile of social media questions from them that I need to handle
Be with us, ride with me.